Have you ever dreamed of starting a YouTube channel that actually makes money but felt stuck, overwhelmed, or unsure where to begin? You're not alone. Most beginners waste months just trying to figure things out. But imagine if in just 7 days you could set up a real YouTube channel, publish content, and even start positioning yourself for income. Sounds crazy, right? That's exactly what Channel Profit Sprint promises. And today, I'm breaking down whether it truly works, how it's structured, and why so many people are talking about it. Here's the truth. Starting a YouTube channel can feel overwhelming. You don't know what niche to choose, what to say in your videos, or how to actually get viewers to click and watch. And let's be honest, the idea of spending thousands on equipment or waiting months just to see results, that kills motivation fast. That's where Channel Profit Sprint comes in. It's built for beginners who want clarity, structure, and a clear step-by-step plan. Channel Profit Sprint is a 7-day challenge created to help anyone launch a profitable YouTube channel from scratch. Instead of endless theory, you get daily action steps. Every single day, you unlock a new mission, and by the end of the week, you don't just have an idea. You have a working channel with real videos online. And the best part is you don't need to show your face, you don't need expensive equipment, and you don't need to spend months guessing what works. So how does it actually work? Let's walk through the 7 days. Day 1, you pick your niche and set up your channel. Random guessing, you're guided step by step on how to choose a niche that's profitable and exciting. You'll design your channel so it instantly looks professional. Day 2, you discover video ideas that attract viewers. Instead of staring at a blank page, you'll be guided to generate content that people actually search for. Day 3, script writing. Don't worry if you've never written a script, you'll learn how to structure a video that keeps people watching until the end. Day 4, filming your first video. Here's the beauty. You don't need to show your face if you don't want to. You'll learn different methods to create engaging videos with simple tools. Day 5, repurposing. That same content can be turned into YouTube Shorts, TikToks, or Instagram Reels, meaning more eyeballs without more effort. Day 6, upload and optimize. You'll discover the secrets of titles, descriptions, and thumbnails that grab attention and trigger clicks. Day 7, monetization strategy. This is where you connect your videos with affiliate offers and income streams. So you're not just uploading for fun, you're setting up a business foundation. What makes this program powerful is that it cuts through the noise.